For my Web 2.0 tool that I looked into, I looked up Blabberize.com. Blabberize.com is very easy to use and would be very student friendly. This is the homepage for Blabberize.com. Just like the caption says, it takes about 30 seconds. You can do it very quickly, and it would work for students probably even as young as first grade. There is an animal right here that will give you a tutorial, but I will walk you through it quickly. As soon as you come onto the page, you can choose if you'd like to make an account or not, but you can go right into this Make button, and the next screen that comes up will give you an option if you want to look through the pictures that you have on your own computer to use, or if you got into this accidentally and you want to do a search for a picture on their website that you could go through and use. So I'm going to click on the browse and look through my pictures, and I'm going to take this picture of my dog when we were on vacation in the Outer Banks, and he was not too happy with the pool, so he wanted to get out of the pool. You can choose to crop the picture to make it smaller or bigger to what your needs are that you'd like to use, and then you move on to the next page, and then you come down to these icons, and if you need to change anything you can pick something off of there, but otherwise I'm ready to find the part of the picture that is his mouth and move it to the general vicinity of what I want to be moving here, and then you can kind of shape that around approximately to what his mouth or the section that should move is. After that, you keep moving, and then you decide if you would like to record your own speaking from the microphone, if you would like to use something that you've previously recorded, or using your phone. I'm going to choose the record from the microphone, and after I click this button, then I'm going to speak something that I want my dog Elroy to say, and he's going to teach you about a famous American. After you click on the allow, then you click this little red button down here to symbolize the record, and that will record your voice for what you want the picture to say. Benjamin Franklin was one of the founding fathers of the United States. Franklin was a leading author, printer, political theorist, politician, postmaster, scientist, musician, inventor, civic activist, statesman, and diplomat. As a scientist, he was a major figure in the American Enlightenment and the history of physics for his discoveries and theories regarding electricity. He invented the lightning rod, bifocals, the Franklin stove, a carriage odometer, and the glass harmonica. He formed both the first public lending library in America and the first fire department in Pennsylvania. When you're done recording, you would hit the red button here again, and then to listen to what you just recorded, you hit this arrow.
Benjamin Franklin was one of the founding fathers of the United States. Franklin was a leading author, printer, political theorist, politician.
You could listen to the whole thing again, but we don't need to. But that was basically the caption that my dog Elroy just told you about, Benjamin Franklin. When you are finished with your recording and you are happy with it, then you come over to the next arrow button here, and then it's pretty much ready to go, okay? And you're finished, you hit your OK button. You have a couple choices left to go and make another scene, or to edit the one you just made, or you can go ahead and save it if you choose to make an account with Blabberize.com. If you choose to make the account, you need to go in through this page, or if you already have one, you go in and log in. Otherwise, if you make an account, you can go into My Stuff, which is a section where you can keep all your saved videos. Make is, of course, to begin the process again. Browse is to look at the work that other people have done using different animals and what they wanted them to say. if you go down to the bottom of the page, you have a few choices. The terms of service, which shows um, the age limit, I should say, and some of the requirements of and terms of agreement for being a user with the site. Also, down at the bottom, they've got a section for frequently asked questions. If you have any concerns or questions about the website and what it entails. It also has a link to a blog that the creator of Blabberize updates and somewhat frequently, looks like, and shows how you can use it, maybe a couple suggestions how you could use it in school. And then at last link down at the bottom is, where'd it go, is the contact page if you need to get a hold of somebody or ask a question about something on the website. So it seems to be easily accessible if you need assistance. If you go back to the main page, you can see the example that they have created, and then also a couple of tweets that people have made for Blabberize that is automatically updated. There's also a search bar on the website if you need to. All right, lastly, I will show you the example that is on the main page for your enjoyment. Thank you.
Welcome to Blabberize.com, the only internet site that you can upload a picture, select the mouse on that picture, and then record some sound. And this is when we get crazy. We make that picture talk to the sound. A talking picture. I'm not kidding. This is real. Okay? When we show it to people for the first time, they hear a boom inside their head. They are so amazed. They are like, hey, I just heard a boom inside my head. And I'm like, yeah, that's right, buddy. That's us blowing your mind.